Hi Gemini, welcome to my channel. My name is Natasha Mai. This is a twin flame summit reading for the sign of Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter. Doesn't matter which astrology you follow, just watch the signs as they apply to you. It's for the week of 8 to 14 of June 2020. It's not gender specific and the roles can be reversed, so take it as it resonates for you and your connection, Gemini. I'm just going to say this is your energy. I'm covering overall energies, and please remember to check the description box below for information on my private services, my Facebook and Instagram links, and I'm doing 2 giveaways. First one is a bonus reading for the sign with the most likes for these readings. So please remember to like the videos if you want a bonus reading. And then I'm giving away a free private reading when I've reached 1,000 subscribers. So please remember to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Share my channel, like the videos to help me get there. And leave your name and email address in the comment section below so that I can actually pick someone from one of the videos when I've reached 1,000 subscribers. Let's see what's happening with you, Gemini. Well, Gemini, this is a really powerful reading for you. A few signs has got very powerful readings. Yeah, let's see. I channel the energies. I don't read the cards necessarily, so it might be different to the usual interpretation of the cards. First card that came out for you was the Five of Swords. And Five of Swords is about a house burning down. And you can see this man in the picture is not even looking at it. He's got 2 swords. He's holding on to 2 swords, looking the other way, looking for a way forward and away from this burning house. Okay, what I feel from this card is that there might have been a divorce, or separation from someone that I get from that house burning down. But that house burning down could just be you leaving a home, leaving a house behind, or leaving something behind and going towards your twin flame or soulmate. Yeah, this is what I feel. You kind of not looking at what is in the past, what is over, what is burnt to the ground. There's nothing left of it, and you just looking the other way, and you got those 2 swords in your hands and are ready to move on. And this is what I feel from this energy, and I feel that you are this is major. Number 5 is major life changes. So there's major changes happening for you, Gemini. And you're definitely going towards your twin flame or soulmate here with that number 5. And the cards that came out with it was the Make an Effort. And this card says, great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to take, and this is what you're doing. You're making those big changes and moving towards your twin flame or soulmate. Why you making the effort? Because this is a great love, and you feel that it's worth it for you to take the steps that you have to take. Yeah, and together with that Make an Effort card also came out the assertiveness, and this card says stand up for what you believe and only say yes if you really want to, and this is what you're doing. You are being assertive and you are standing up for your beliefs here in regards to your twin flame and soulmate connection, and you're not going to say yes to anything else. Yeah, this is what I feel from this card. This is what you want. This is where you feel you belong. This is where you feel guided to go, and you're saying yes to this. And anything else that comes up, you're going to stand up for this connection, and you're just going to go for this, Gemini, regardless of any other opinions I feel coming from anybody else. Then the next card that came out was the reverse 3 of Swords. And the 3 of Swords is about a butchered heart, it's about heartache, it's about pain. It might be a third party situation with the number 3. But third party doesn't necessarily mean another romantic partner. It could be anything else, friends, family, could be business, it could be financial situation, anything else that was in the way that caused a lot of heartache. All right, with this card. And in reverse, you are ending this heartache. You are over and done with it. You are ending it. You're coming out of it. And you are moving forward towards your twin flame or soulmate. I do feel for some this is definitely a financial situation that is that caused a lot of heartache and separation in this connection, but that is over. That heartache is over. I feel that heartache is over, And why I feel it's a financial situation is because of the two other cards that came out with a Three of Swords in reversed. And I feel it in the energy as well. I received the codependency card as well as the business venture. And codependency is about addictions. That says addictions are affecting your romantic life, but codependency is also about being dependent upon someone else or someone being dependent on you. Um, it could be for financial reasons, it could be for emotional or any kind of reasons. I do feel it's a codependency in regards to finances that played a role here, either for you or for the other person, and that caused separation and it caused a lot of heartache. But that codependent situation that caused a lot of heartache is over with that Three of Swords in reverse, and I believe there is some abundance, really big abundance, that has been given by the universe here, that is definitely allowing the situation to end. This card says trust and follow through on a new business idea or career opportunity. So you might have followed through on a business idea or followed through on a new job or new career opportunity, and it's brought you a lot of abundance, or to the person that you're dealing with, and this is what is ending, this is what is helping this ending of this heartache, and allowing this moving forward towards your twin flame or soulmate, Gemini. Definitely. And the last cards that came out is beautiful. It was the Three of Pentacles. And again, that Pentacles is there. But Pentacles number 3 again is about union. And it's about working together. It's about working together and creating a masterpiece. It's a very spiritual card for me. The Three of Pentacles. And this is, it's building something with very solid foundations, yeah. And this is definitely what you're doing. You are really working on this connection. You are really working on building it with solid foundations and coming into union with 2 3s on the board here, and the number 5, which is major changes. You are coming into union with your twin flame and soulmate, and this is going to be very stable, and there's going to be a lot of solid foundations, and it's going to be a masterpiece. I feel it's a masterpiece. This is a very powerful connection. And you gave me 3 cards with that Three of Pentacles to clarify it for me and make sure that I get it. And this is very interesting because I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you the 3 cards that came out with that one, Gemini. I'm very excited for you. You're definitely coming into union with your twin flame or soulmate. The first card that you gave me was the engagement card. And the engagement card is about making a solid commitment. It is a proposal also. And this card says your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. So you might propose to your twin flame or soulmate, or you might receive a proposal. And the next card you gave me was the marriage card, just to make sure that I get it, that there is definitely a solid commitment and most probably a proposal, a marriage. You are going to get married to this person. This card says the fairies join you in celebrated wedded bliss. And then the last card on the Three of Pentacles, he gave me the honeymoon, which which is enjoy the bliss of holiday time together. So there's a proposal. There's a proposal, there's a marriage, and there's a honeymoon. All right, so you most definitely are coming into union with your twin flame or soulmate, and most probably getting engaged, getting married, and going away on honeymoon, sucking into the beautiful energies of love with your person, spending time together. And I seriously do feel it's definitely a proposal. I don't think I've ever received these 3 cards together. With another card like a Three of Pentacles, which is about a union and building something with very solid foundations. So you are most definitely coming into a very, very solid commitment with your twin flame or soulmate, if not married, getting married. And if there is a proposal and a marriage, I feel like this is going to happen very fast. This is going to happen very fast for you, Gemini. You are not going to wait around. You're going to get engaged, get married, and go on honeymoon. And it's going to be like in a very quick thing. It's not going to be a planned wedding for a year or two or something. No. For those that are getting proposed to or are proposing or planning on getting married very quickly and going on honeymoon very quickly, this is going to be a very quick thing, I feel it. But that is all from me, Gemini. This is really beautiful cards and really beautiful energies. Please remember to check the description box below for information on my private services, Instagram and Facebook links. And remember to like the video for the bonus reading next week. And remember to leave your name and email address in the comment section below so that I can pick someone when I've reached that 1,000 subscribers for the free private reading giveaway. And I will see you in the next video. Namaste, Gemini.